Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here today with the seated routine to help with sciatica and back pain. All right, you're gonna love it, so let's get right into it. First up, we're just gonna do a quick warm up to warm up our bodies, get ready for these awesome stretches. We're gonna do 1 minute of high knees. All right, so sitting up straight and bringing our knee up to us. All right, we're not slouching down to meet our knee. Nope, straight back, flex foot. All right, this is gonna warm up the hips. All right, it's even stretching out your back a little bit already. Very good. Stay nice and up. Go a little bit faster as you start feeling warmed up. Get those joints lubricated and moving. Very good. You can have your arms up here to the side, up on your hips, whatever calls to you. Just have a nice continuous motion here. Very good. Breathing. Very good, we're almost there. This is also, like I said, warming up the hips, and that is important because tight hips can lead to sciatica and back pain. All right, so what we're gonna be doing in this routine is stretching our hips a bit because that will relieve tension and help with those aches and pains. All right, almost there in 3, 2, 1. Very good. First, we're gonna start with a hamstring stretch. All right, another thing that can lead to sciatica and back pain is tight hamstrings. All right, so one leg is straight, the other one stays nice and bent, toes in the air, and you're gonna go ahead and reach for those toes with a nice straight back. So don't go into it curved like this. Keep a straight back, all right, and reach for those toes. All right, reach for those toes. Very good, and here it is. This is the seated hamstring stretch. We're gonna enjoy this for 30 seconds. We're almost done. Checking in, making sure that you have nice posture even here, so make sure you're not scrouched. Push your shoulders away from your ears. All right, and reach with your chest. All right, instead of reaching with your head, go ahead, fix that posture, and reach with your chest. And 3, 2, 1, very good, and other side. Straight back and reach with the chest, very good. Breathing, very important when we stretch to breathe. With every exhale, try to go a little bit deeper. If you feel like you're getting good benefit from where you are, then go ahead and stay there. Breathing is very important. Awesome job. And 3, 2, 1, coming up, coming back to starting. Very good. Next, we have a spinal twist, all right? So you're gonna take one hand, you're gonna put it out behind you, all right? Holding onto the chair, wherever you have. The other one comes over the knee, and you're gonna push against your knee to do a nice little spinal twist, all right? And looking towards your back shoulder. Very good. Chin is up. Make sure you have a nice, long, elegant neck. Don't crouch in. Boom. And 3, 2, 1. Bringing up over and the other side. Pushing against your knee to help with that twist. Don't forget to breathe. And 3, 2, 1, gently release and come back to center. Very good. Next, we're gonna grab our ankle, bring it over our knee for a figure 4 stretch. All right, if this is enough for you, go ahead and just hold it right here. If you feel like you go a little bit deeper, go ahead and gently press on that knee. All right, going deeper in that figure 4. And if you wanna go even deeper with a straight back, you're going to lean forward. All right, and there we have it. Breathing, very good. Flex foot up here. And 3, 2, 1, coming up, release, and other side. Ankle, flex foot, very good. Straight back, little push, and forward. It's important to go through all the steps before just going straight into it because everything is connected. So you want to set your body up before going forward or anything like that. So it's always good to work through the motions. It'll set your body up for success and go into a better stretch. And 3, 2, 1, straighten and release. Very good. Last but not least, we're doing a straddle stretch. So nice wide stance, as wide as you comfortably can. Be at the edge of your seat. All right, we're gonna reach for the floor. All right, and go ahead and let your head hang. And there we have it. Enjoy the straddle stretch. If you want to go even deeper, you can go ahead and grab your ankles and push against the inside of your knees with your elbows. And that'll open up your stance even more. So if you feel like you can do that, go ahead. If not, hands on the floor and lower your head. Very good. And we're going to roll up one vertebrae at a time in 3, 2, 1. Slowly rolling up. Then your shoulders and your head is last. And there we have it. Set 1. Very good. Big breath. Going right into set 2, and then we have set 3. In each set, you're going to go deeper into these stretches and feel the benefit even more. Starting with our hamstring stretch, begin. Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops. And 3, 2, 1, roll up. Very good. Other side. And 3, 2, 1, rolling up and back to start. Very good. Spinal twist. One hand back, over, outside the knee, and twist. And 3, 2, 1, gently release, come all the way over, and other side. And 3, 2, 1, gently release. Very good. Back to start. Grabbing that ankle for figure 4, one side, straight back, push, and forward. And 3, 2, 1, straightening back up, gently releasing, and other side. Straight back, very good. And 3, 2, 1, straightening back up, very good, gently releasing, and wide stance for our straddle stretch. Let's go. Rolling back up, one vertebrae at a time in 3, 2, 1, slowly. Very good, rolling those shoulders back and head is up last. Second set done, one more to go. I hope you're starting to feel loose. Starting with our hamstring stretch, begin.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
And 3, 2, 1, roll up, very good. Other side. And 3, 2, 1, rolling up and back to start. Very good. Spinal twist. One hand back, over, outside the knee, and twist. And 3, 2, 1, gently release, come all the way over, and other side. And 3, 2, 1, gently release, very good, back to start. Grabbing that ankle for figure 4, one side, straight back, push, and forward. And 3, 2, 1, straightening back up, gently releasing, and other side. Straight back, very good. And 3, 2, 1, straightening back up. Very good. Gently releasing. And wide stance for our straddle stretch. Let's go. Rolling back up, 1 vertebrae at a time in 3, 2, 1, slowly. Very good, rolling those shoulders back and head is up. And there we have it, my beautiful people, 3 sets of this beautiful seated routine to help with sciatica and back pain. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. Do you feel better? Do you feel that tension gone and released? What videos would you like to see more of? Where are you tuning in from? And I hope to see you on the next one.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.